unmatched potential like no other business on earth. Through this free buying platform, you can buy what you're already buying every month and get cash back on everything you buy. And get cash back on everyone you share this platform with. Simply, the more people you share this platform with, the more you make. Because you can share this with anyone at no cost. The potential of this is unlimited, and it soon will be going global. You're probably asking yourself, what is the catch? That's just it. There is none. When you get to meet the person that started this program, you'll start to understand what he is trying to do: disrupt the direct selling industry. You have to ask yourself, would I be willing to spend $100 to $150 a month through this free buying platform to make $100,000 per year or more? If you've not already, install the free app, Find the Perfect Business or Perfect Business on your phone to find out what you have to do to be successful. Free exclusive Priceline travel link included for installing app will save you up to 60% on hotel reservations.